Hello there everyone, and welcome back to Free Fun Amiga Games. Now this time we're going to be doing Lemmings, we're going to be doing Arkanoid, and another slightly obscure one, Blues Brothers. Hope you enjoyed them all, and obviously first, as you can see, it's Lemmings. Now, Lemmings was produced in 1991 for the Amiga. Absolutely fun little puzzle game, this one. Spent many of hours on one of my first introductions to video games. Previously, I'd only played a few games on the Spectrum, ZX Spectrum, that is. And yeah, this was one of my first games which I played. So, let's have a little bit of fun, and let's do some Lemmings. Now, I'm not going to teach you how to suck eggs. If you're watching this, chances are you played this when you were younger as well, so we're just going to enjoy doing the levels. I'm not going to tell you how to do them, we're just going to play. Is that going to do it? Oh no, never mind. I was always trying to find new and better ways to do levels, as I'm sure many of you were, and fun just got so easy, but I just loved playing through fun all the time. There we go. And for those of you who don't know, these are passwords. If you're watching games which don't need passwords anymore, because we don't use them, you have to have a password for a level. I mean, what was that? No saving. Now, I do feel like doing some Lemmings Tribes, because Lemmings Tribes was a bit interesting. It was, well, Lemmings Tribes 2. Very interesting little game that was. A lot of new mechanics brought in. I think I might do another video on that with maybe another Free Fun Amiga games in the future. Just for now, just enjoying this. And Newcomb! Lemming confetti. Did love this music. Just it seems strange now, considering this was, wow, this was 30 years ago, and only just over 30 years ago that this was actually first first brought out, because it was actually in February of 1991 that this was brought out. And even playing it now, I can still remember every single note of most of the songs. I can. It's amazing how something like this can do that. It is just those games which stick in your head for, well, I suppose as it is now. I'm not much older than this game is, and I played it maybe a year or two after it came out, and it still sticks in my head over 25 years later. And that is good game design, and that is good musical design as well within the game. Or it could be that I just spent too many hours in the game and it's just in my head and just there now and I can't get rid of it. If you want to comment, I'll let you decide that in the comments below. Maybe a bit too high. Let's dig down a little bit. There we go. Yes, I am just doing this for fun. Oh, now if you have played this game too much, I'm sure you've done this. You don't need blockers, you just need to know whereabouts to do it. Just there. One pop. There we go. Time for some builders, and another great tune within this game. Just because I can't be bothered to get them out of the hole, because they will fall in. Just have them building. There we go. Probably the strongest ladder which the Lemmings will ever build. There we go, right. Just going to do a couple more levels. Oh yeah. Yeah. Not as complicated as it looks. Indeed, it is not. There we go, level done. And just send them all off as climbers. Why not? Oh, let's speed it up. Floaters! Just for fun. Go on, see if you can survive. There we go. There we go, last one then. And then we'll move on to Arkanoids. Oh, lost one. Never mind. Too close. That's what it was. Bye bye, little lemming. Right, there we go. I do hope you like that look back at Lemmings. Should I do this one? Yeah, let's do Smile If You Love Lemmings. Now this one's a bit of a pain, because you've got to be very quick. And it's whether or not you can be quick enough to save them all. Yes! Got him. That was smooth. To be honest, I had a bit of a try through again, well, before I started recording this. Got to this level. It took me 4 attempts to do that. I was a little bit rusty, to say the least. There we go. Say goodbye, Mr. Lemming. Excellent. There we go. Definitely going to leave it there this time. So, next game is Arkanoids. I hope you enjoyed that little reminiscing there about my personal experience about Lemmings. And let's move on to the next game. Right, next game. Arkanoid. Absolutely brilliant game. Was made in 1986, just 2 years after I was born. This game was. Still didn't play it until about the same time as what I played Lemmings. Played it about as much as Lemmings. Yeah, played probably about as much as Lemmings. Yeah, so well, you can see what it is. It's a block breaker. It was made for. It was made for bringing back basically the genre of game. It was trying to take a new take on it, and well, did pretty well. It was very well received. This game was. Okay, let's get into it then. Round 1. There we go. Ooh, that was quite quick. A bit longer, please. Or do I go for the fire? Slow ball. Or triple ball. Got 'em all. Oh, might not be able to get them all this time. 2 of them. Hey, that's good. Ooh, bing. Oh, missed. Oh well. Extra long. No, we don't want that. I'm sure That's sticky. I don't want that. Boom. Ding. Hey, there we go. Ding, ding, ding. Whoa, that's got a quick awesome. Oh, whoops. Whee. Kill him. Okay. Up to the top again. Hey. Thank you. Hey, sticky. Slow. Oh, got them both. Oh, almost lost it though. Bing bong. Strangely addictive, this game. Found myself spending a lot of hours playing this. Getting frustrated, but also enjoying when things went just right. Oh, whoa, that was close. Come on. Oh, I thought I had the red. Whoa. Yes. Oh. Take it out, please. It's getting quick. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Here we go. Nope, missed. Oh, I thought I had it then. Yeah, there we go. Let's do another round. Straight out. Oh, one of them get up there. Yes. Hey, extra life. Swapsy, and up you go. Ooh, still some of them I haven't got rid of. Oh, quite a few of them. Oh my. Could lose a life here. Not being very forthcoming with the bonus things. There we go. Oh. Come on. We'll have it. Take what we can get. Just help us get through the bottom blocks, maybe. Come on. Ooh, that's a bad one. There we go. Ooh. Oh, no you don't. Slow it down, please. There we go. Excellent. Oh, that didn't last long. Oh, come on. Take him out. Take him out. Yes. One last one. Oh, ha 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 ha. Never mind. There we go. Okay, that'll do it for that. Oh. Oh my goodness. There we go. Yep. Don't know why I'm doing this. There we go. Let's see. There's your code as well. Right, that was Arkanoid. Fun little brick breaker there. Very addictive, and oh my goodness, so many hours wasted on it. Well, I say wasted. Seems like wasted, but very fun hours. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next game now, which is Blues Brothers. And the last game for this free fun games is Blues Brothers. This game was a platform game based on the band Blues Brothers, and it is basically trying to get to a concert by the end of it. It was released in 1991, subsequently released for things like the SNES and things like that in 93 and 94. So, there we go. Pick up boxes, chuck them at people. Hey, granny in a shopping cart. Oops, pick it up. Gotcha. And we go upstairs. Oh dear. Very fun little game, but oh my goodness. The controls. Oh, that's up. Get in. Oh! Never mind. Up we go. Thought I could make that jump. Not quite. Here we go. Time to go swimming. And back up. Got a feeling I might need this. I thought I remembered that from when I used to play this game. Yeah. Gotcha. Gotcha. Oh! Go away! Got hit by a... Oh, I don't quite know what it was. Help me go. And hit him. Ooh. Am I gonna make it? No. Oh, copper. Let's just nip back down. Let's go and grab that box. Oh, come on, come on. Hey, just made it. Boom. Gotcha. Ah, he's got a pitchfork. Run away! Ah! Ah, run away! Oh yes, the umbrellas. Oop. Ah, get away with your eggs. Ah, come on. Sure, remember you can jump up and hit him. Oh, maybe I was wrong. Oh, checkpoint at least. Up we go. Jump over that. Let's try again. Yeah. Down we go. Don't know if it's there again or not. Oh, it is. Oh, you can't get it again. Oh well. Down we go. Let's get you. Oh, I got her, but she got me. And copper. That up. go back up again. Got him. Look out for the dudes with pitchforks. Come on. So close. Now, if I remember right... Actually, let's see if we can... Bye-bye, birdie. Oh! That was dumb. That was so dumb. That was so dumb. No, we will go this way. Pick it up. There we go. Where are you? And duck. Oh, can't duck one. Should have known that was the way to do that. Right, up. Get the copper. That down. Gonna miss that lift. Go, 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 go! Gotcha. 1, 2. Right, try not to get rid of all the umbrellas this time. Let's get Birdie first. Oh. Oh, come on. Nope. You have to step on the clouds. Oh no! Run away! Ain't got lives to get rid of. Not anymore. Oh! Need to stop pressing that control button. And I need to make sure I don't get hit by the bird. Ah! Away with your eggs. Here we go. Oh no! Oh no 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 no! Oh, that's it. Yeah, well, never mind. There's a little look at my terrible playing of that. It's been a long time since I played that game. I might do just a video based on this game at some point. If not, then, well, there was a little look at it. If you liked it, please don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing. I am going to do some more of these free fun games because there's a lot of games out for the Amiga. If you have any suggestions, please let me know and put them down in the comments section. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.